Hi brothers and sisters, out in the workshop. I just got through finishing up on another wedding ring holder. This one's made out of Cocobolo wood. This is Cocobolo right here. Let me zoom in on it a little bit so you can see it better. Let's see, there we go. Okay, this is Cocobolo wood that I brought from Mexico 15 plus years ago. I went to the mill out there and bought quite a bit of Cocobolo wood. The wedding ring sits right here on the post. The post is also Cocobolo wood. These two spheres are right here, are made out of halite. And then I put a purple heart wood here with a cubic zirconia inlay. If you flip it around on the diagonal piece of the purple heart, it's got a clear epoxy on it. I put some chain in here, some beads in here. This is a piece of wingay wood at the bottom. There's a piece of wingay wood at the top at an angle with the purple heart on it. So it's definitely one of a kind. Let me set it down here so we can look at it. Let me zoom back out a little bit. And we'll put it down here on the work table. And we'll look at it a little. Okay, now we're going to take a close-up look at the wedding ring holder that I'm showing you. And I'm going to just turn it around real slow here. There's the purple heart, the chain, the spheres right there, the back side of the wedding ring holder. And of course we keep going around, the Cocobolo wood. And the wedding rings go right here. Or any rings that you'd like can be on there. So anyway, there's the purple heart, the heart. And let's keep going around so you can see it. There it is. Gorgeous piece. Wedding ring holder on the website. Up for sale today. And of course it goes in the custom wedding ring box to ship it in. It comes in two different boxes. The main box to where the ring's in, and then the display box on the outside, and then I box it up one more time. So it's got three boxes. So anyway, there it is. Hope you enjoyed it, and look at it now. So you've seen it a little bit more. It's going to be on the website at, well, you're probably looking at the website right now. So anyway, have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus. And stay tuned for the next wedding ring holder. Have a blessed day.